I'm back at the home in Dallas, Georgia. We have the floors stained and the stairway finished. Let's go inside and take a peek. All right, I'm gonna take you in the front door this time. Last time I came in the side door, but I wanted to go in the front entrance. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. So lots and lots of detail. You can see every bit of the wood grains and this floor. So pretty. So they finished, they added black iron rods to the stair casing. Last time there was nothing there. So those have been added and everything has been sanded and stained. Driveways are going in tomorrow. So it's coming to an end, but look how pretty. It is really a pretty color. It's almost like a cedar color, I would say, but you can see there are lighter pieces, darker pieces, lots and lots of character, like I said before. It really, really turned out nice. So it pulls from the wood here in the floor, also pulls from the darker color in the cabinet. Really, really pretty. And then I'll take you upstairs. It's the same thing upstairs, but look at this. I love it. It's so pretty. So the upstairs is the same as downstairs. Lots of character up here as well. Really turned out nice. That wraps up this project. It's going to be such a peaceful serendipity for this family. They're on this property all by themselves. You can hear the birds chirping. I'm sure there's deer that come around. Sweet and private and quiet and peaceful. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next time.